I'm very impressed by the quality of the carving that I see. So I took time for that because I like the Gandhara art, and I think you have a very beautiful collection of carving. And for myself, I didn't know that you have so many archaeological sites relative to Gandhara around Swat. I didn't know. I just checked on the picture. Yeah, last November, I had the chance to go to Taxila, which I was really impressed by the museum as well. We have visiting different sections of Gandhara in the museum in Karachi, in Lahore, and I don't remember some cities. So, I mean, it's interesting now to see the big stupa. I didn't see now. I'm very happy to go tomorrow morning to visit the Tartibai monastery, which I know it's in the UNESCO list. It was missing for me last time, so very happy. And really, quality of carving is very high. I like it. I just arrived yesterday, so I could not reply. I don't, even everywhere in Pakistan, myself, I don't feel insecure. We have escort with them. Maybe. I don't know. I don't feel insecure really. People maybe less smiling that in some part of, but maybe you need to know them. It's my opinion. You need to know because it's mountain, because it's another people. I think it's Pashtun. Am I right? So I need to meet them to. I don't know. Maybe we have to cover. I don't know. I'm sure it's good. We need time to do, but I can say that I like Pakistan very much. It's a very rich country. It's very different from part to part, and every part I have seen, I like it. For the high mountain, for the people, very hospitable, and it's very rich, like a culture, like everything. So for myself, it's interesting to coming in. Yeah. I'm glad. Thank you.
نن موږ دلته جمع شوي یو د انټرنیشنل میوزیم ډے لپاره. انټرنیشنل میوزیم ډے څه دی؟ دا یو انټرنیشنل ډے ده چې کوم یو انټرنیشنل اداره ده، آیکوم انټرنیشنل کونسل اف میوزیم، دا ورځ منئ. هر کال دا ورځ موږ منو. میوزیم چې کوم اهمیت دی میجر ته اجاګر کولو لپاره موږ دا ورځ هر سال 18 مئی باندې منو. دې ورځ باندې موږ سره اوس دې ټایم کې چاینیز امبیسي هغه کوپریشن کې دی، هغه موږ ته یو شانتي مطلب سپانسر کوي لګیا دی، موږ ته سپورټ کوي لګیا دی، او موږ دې ورځ ته استعمال کوو لګیا یو چې ټول دنیا ته موږ یو میسج ورکوو چې پاکستان یو پرامن قوم دی او موږ په ټول دنیا کې امن غواړو. موږ اوس دې ټایم کې موږ ماشومان ډېر زیات وخت دي دلته میوزیم کې، هغه ډفرنٹ ایکټیویټیز کوي لګیا دی. دې ایکټیویټیز کې هغه جهاز جوړی لګیا دی او کاغذونو باندې لیکي لګیا دی چې نو وار وی وانټ پیس، مطلب داسې یو انټرنیشنل سلوګنز جوړو لګیا یو چې موږ ټول دنیا ته یو پیغام ورکوو چې موږ یو پرامن قوم یو.